Let us understand the step-by-step process of booking service note measurements and abstracts in Strategic ERP. Service receipt note measurements and abstracts are used to record and approve the quantity or percentage of work completed by the contractor at the actual site. There are two types of work orders: quantity-wise work order and percentage-wise work order. In case on quantity-wise work order, navigate to the SRN measurement and abstract form under Site Management module and select the work order number. Details will be fetched automatically based on your selection. You can view the work order activities added under the Service Received Quantity-wise Work Orders tab. Enter the quantity to be updated in the service note. Quantity-wise work order will be updated accordingly. In case of percentage-wise work order, select the service note date, project name, subproject name and contractor name. You can also select the engineer's name if required. Select the work order number. The work order details will be fetched automatically based on your selection. Enter the required quantity. You can also view the previous service note quantity, total service note quantity, balance quantity and DPR quantity. For the percentage-wise work order, select project, subproject, contractor name, work order number and other relevant details. Based on your selection, the details will be auto-fetched under the service received for percent-wise work orders. You can view details such as the nature of work and description of payment terms. Based on this, enter the percentage of work completed. Based on your selection, the service note amounts be fetched automatically. You can enter remarks if any. Click on Save and follow the necessary steps for approval. The process of booking service note measurements and abstracts in Strategic ERP is now complete.